Hangzhou True Technology Company Limited was as a comprehensive and professional supplier company, as the company's brand represents a factory that integrates independent research and development, autonomous production, and self-sales of coffee machines. The coffee machines produced by the company are divided into 6 major series: Household Series, Business Series, Commercial Series, New Retail Mode Coffee Machines, Supporting Products, and Peripheral Products, coffee beans, mugs, cups, etc. The factory has established a smart cloud platform that integrates cloud computing, cloud storage, cloud data analysis, with a one-stop APP function construction, management service human-machine interaction, and Internet of Things. It shares a coffee retail platform model to achieve intelligent remote operation management, a fully interconnected service platform called the New Retail Mode Coffee Machine. The supporting products for coffee machines include ice makers, refrigerators, cup warmers, cup dispensers, and latte art machines. The factory has established a complete fully system with automatic coffee machines as the mainstay. True Technology is a production-oriented company. There are full system research and development team, as well as various workshops including mold, sheet metal, injection molding, and assembly workshops. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are look for the sole agent from whole of the world. Waiting you make this important decision. Let us become the sole partner.